Good morning, everyone. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, but teachers mold that child's personality. Kids, we have celebrated so many days like Yoga Day, Doctor's Day, and so on. Can you tell me what day is it today? Yes, it is 5th of September, and today is Teacher's Day. There is a beautiful quote: a teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill a love of learning. Do you want to know why we celebrate Teachers' Day? So let's watch.
Children, let us know more about Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Children, he is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we are celebrating today. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Thiruvallur, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name was Sarvapalli Sita. He was brilliant at studies, so he got scholarships throughout his academic life. His father wanted him to become a priest, but he studied hard to become the professor of philosophy. He was the first vice president and second president of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan was felicitated with Bharat Ratna in 1975. He was also the chairman of UNESCO Executive Board. Dr. Radhakrishnan was one of the founding members of HelpAge India, an NGO. And since 1962, we celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. The Government of India also issued postal stamps with Dr. Radhakrishnan's image printed on it. Last but not the least, I would like to say that I am proud to be a part of the profession that creates all other professions.
Now you understood the importance of Teachers' Day, why we celebrate this day. Now, tell me one thing, children. Do you like your teachers? If they are like this, if they don't smile? No, right? Even your mams don't like to see you sad. The same way you all like to see your mams happy. Yes or no? So, today, do you know? Two of your friends, Rudra and Nishka, they are going to sing one nice song for all the teachers. Do you know what are the wordings of the song? They are telling that when you smile, when there's a smile on your face, teacher, the world is a very, very happy place. And when you are sad, the world comes tumbling down. So always keep smiling and be happy. So listen to this song and you can even learn it. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Parekh. I would like to wish my all lovely teachers happy Teachers' Day. And there's a smile on your face, teacher dear. And there's a smile on your face, teacher dear. When there's a smile on your face, a world's happy place. Want to smile for us all, teacher dear. Teacher dear, teacher dear. When there's a smile on your face, a world's happy place. Want to smile for us all, teacher dear. Teacher dear, teacher dear. Thank you. When you wear a new uniform, teacher dear. When you wear a new uniform, teacher dear. When you wear a new uniform, the walls come tumbling down. Get a smile on your face. The world's the happy place. What you smile for us all, teacher dear. What you smile for us all, teacher dear. Teacher dear, teacher dear. What you smile on your face. The world's the happy place. What you smile for us all, teacher dear. What you smile for us all, teacher dear. Teacher dear, teacher dear. Let's a frown on your face. The world's the happy place. What you smile for us all, teacher dear. Thank you. I am Manishka from UKGB. All my biology teachers, happy Teachers Day.
Good morning everyone. On this occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to express my gratitude to all our parents for acknowledging us teachers an indivisible part of their child's life. Now I would like to present to you parent of Miss Navya from Joy Playgroup and Miss Heer from LKGB for exhibiting their solicitude towards us on behalf of all the other parents.
Hello everyone,
My name is Heer Patel.
I am Dimple Patel.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruye Namah. Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am Tamara Patel. Love you, ma'am. Miss you.
On the special occasion of Teachers Day, I want to thank all the respective teachers of Sri Vallabh Ashram. They're doing such a great job in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. COVID-19 से पहले स्कूल में जो रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज होती थी वो सब एक्टिविटीज अभी इस महामारी के समय में भी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग के माध्यम से हो रही है। वो स्टडी मटेरियल्स के वीडियो भेज रहे हैं, फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज के वीडियो भी वो सेंड कर रहे हैं। टीचर्स एंड स्कूल पुटिंग एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट टू एंगेज द स्टूडेंट एट होम फॉर स्टडी। वो पेरेंट्स से फीडबैक ले रहे हैं। They monitoring the student constantly. They work hard for shaping the lives of our children. So I salute all the teachers for their extra effort. मैं उनके लिए एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, गुरु वो पारसमणि है जो लोहे को भी सोना बनाने की क्षमता रखता है। टीचर्स जब अपना 100% एफर्ट दे रहे हैं तो एज अ पेरेंट्स हमारी भी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि हम भी घर पर अपने बच्चों की स्टडी पर थोड़ा ध्यान दें। सो व्हेन स्कूल रीओपन दैट टाइम टीचर्स फील कि नहीं हमारी मेहनत रंग लाई है एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट गुरु दक्षिणा फॉर देम। थैंक यू।
My name is Nandya Hiren Patel. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, my name is Dwani Hiren Patel. My daughter Navya studies in Vallabh Ashram School. On the beautiful moment of Teachers Day, I thank you so much, teacher, for doing a beautiful task of teaching them during this pandemic. Navya is very happy with this, all the worksheets, the hard work which you take to celebrate during the festival. Teachers, you are a guru who removes the darkness from the life of the children. Thank you so much, teacher. Happy Teachers Day. A big salute to you.
As you all know, because of this COVID-19, you are not able to come to school. But ma'ams are sending so many videos and worksheet to you, right children? So that you don't miss your studies. Ma'ams are sending videos. Making videos is not an easy task. Ma'am has to work very hard along with the other household work like cleaning, cooking and spending time with their families. તમારા મેમ બહુ બધા રોલ્સ પ્લે કરે છે પણ the teachers never get tired because they are teachers with superpowers. So here comes your two friends of UKG to show you that how ma'ams are playing a different role in this lockdown. Here comes your two friends Shrija and Tegbir.
दौड़ दौड़ भागा भागा सा 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 वक्त ये सख्त है थोड़ा 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 मांगा मांगा सा 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 वक्त ये सख्त है थोड़ा थोड़ा ठुड्डा खा के दिन गिरा रात ने उठा लिया हाथ पांव पहुंच के ताक पे बिठा दिया ठुड्डा खा के दिन गिरा रात ने उठा लिया हाथ पांव पहुंच के ताक पे बिठा दिया चांद का चिराग है खुटियों पे टांगा टांगा सा खुटियों पे टांगा टांगा सा थोड़ा थोड़ा मांगा मांगा सा थोड़ा थोड़ा मांगा मांगा सा दौड़ दौड़ भागा भागा 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 सा वक्त ये सख्त है थोड़ा 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 मांगा मांगा सा 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 वक्त ये सख्त है थोड़ा थोड़ा ठुड्डा खा के दिन गिरा रात ने
Encouragement is a fuel for another day of giving and guiding, and every teacher needs that. To keep your teachers encouraged, let us learn to make a beautiful card. So without further ado, let's begin. I'm sure you will definitely try making this card for your lovely teachers.